Hello, my name is Joseph Meyer. Today we'll be taking a look at a website I made called safedemo.jam. It is an entry for the Made Safe Asia app competition, and it's designed to help developers learn how to interact with the Safe.js API and the Safe network. So we'll take a look at that now. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to authorize the website. We need to do this so that we can access all the functions of the Safe.js API. So you see here that we have two containers, public names container and public container. We don't actually need to use these permissions for this website, but a lot of developers will need to, so I've included it into code. It takes a while to authorize, but you will eventually get a notification that says authorized app token along with a big string. And that string is your app token for the website. Now I'm going to click on the check authentication, and that's going to see if we're connected to the network and also if our authentication token is valid. Now that we can see our app token is valid and we're connected to the network, we're now going to click on show. What this does is it gets the list of entries from the safe network and then displays the keys, or in this case the file names of each of the files that are stored on the safe network. Now that we have the file names, we can enter them in the select file line. This lets us get the file, update it, and delete it. So we're now going to get video.mp4. This is a video file, and the website will display video files and you'll be able to play them. The next file we're going to get is an image file, and we're just going to copy it from here and paste it into that line. Then we'll click on the get button and we can see here the file has come back. You can also click on the download file and that will download it in the safe browser so you can get it locally. The next file we'll be looking at is a HTML file which the browser will read as a text file. So we're just going to paste this in and click get, and it returns with the content of the index.html file. If you see at the bottom there's a button that says Save Edit next to the download button. What that lets us do is it lets us edit the file and then save it to the network. So I'm just going to do that now. Get rid of a bit of the HTML file and put in hello world testing. Now if we get that file again, it will return with the edited version of it, and it will include the hello world testing. This is a bit handy if you want to save files directly to the safe network instead of editing on your local machine and then uploading them again. So now we're going to delete the file. We're just going to enter it on the select file line and then click delete. Now this will delete the file content, but it won't delete the file name from the entry in the immutable data. That's the way the Safe API is currently set up. As this is mainly for developers, I'm going to leave it with the default remove function, but I think there is a workaround where you can update the file name as empty and update the file content as empty as well. We're now going to demo off the update function, and we're going to update the index.html that we edited with the original .index.html file, so it'll be like we didn't edit anything at all. So I'll just get the file and update, and the file returns. What we're going to do now is we're going to upload a file. So I'm going to pick a file here and upload it. And if we click show, it will come back in the entry with its file name. And if we click get, it will return with its file content. And the final button here is free token. This will free the app token from memory, so we'll no longer be authorized to use the website and its functions. Thanks for listening, I hope you enjoyed, and hopefully by the time you see this, there will be a video doing a quick rundown of the main.js file.